Hey, what's going on everyone? My name's Ash. Welcome to my channel, Saved by an Angel, where I talk about anything that has to do with paranormal, weird stuff, and self-improvement. Because in 2014, I tried to take my life and Archangel Michael appeared. Only reason why I'm here. And in this video, I want to share with you this sledgehammer going through my 80-inch Sharp Quattros smart TV. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How does this have anything to do with paranormal weird stuff or self-improvement? And that's what I was trying to figure out too. It doesn't really, unless I decide to use this hammer going through my television as advertising for my channel, so more people can see my videos and I can help more people. So if you appreciate this sledgehammer going through my television, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so my channel can grow and more people can see it. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoy. Alright everyone, this is the moment of truth. Safety first. I hope you enjoy. Well, it didn't actually go through my TV, but it made a big dent. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a closer up view. As you can see, the hammer didn't even go right through the TV. Put a nice big dent and crack in it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching everyone.